Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make spaghetti sauce and meatballs. Start by prepping onions, garlic, and fresh herbs, and soak bread for the meatballs to add moisture. Brown meatballs in batches to develop flavor, then deglaze with a splash of red wine or stock. Simmer crushed tomatoes with basil and oregano for depth, then finish meatballs in sauce to meld flavors before serving over pasta and parmesan. Gather 1 pound ground beef, 1 pound ground pork, 2 cloves garlic, 1 onion, canned crushed tomatoes, and fresh basil. Use day-old bread soaked in milk for tender meatballs, squeezing excess milk before mixing with egg and seasonings. Chop herbs finely and measure salt and pepper, then have olive oil heating for browning meatballs and sautéing aromatics to build a flavorful base for the sauce. Taste and adjust seasoning as needed. Brown meatballs until crust forms, then remove and reserve pan juices to build flavor. Sauté onions and garlic until translucent, deglaze with a splash of wine or stock, then add crushed tomatoes, basil, and oregano. Return meatballs to the sauce, simmer gently for 25 to 30 minutes, taste for seasoning, and finish with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of grated parmesan. Serve over al dente spaghetti and enjoy with crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.